very wonderful day and historical day in our Indian history. It is a great day. It is a national festival, not a local festival. Throughout India, throughout world, we have been celebrating this wonderful festival. Because why we have been celebrating this festival? Is there any reason? Can anyone tell what is the reason? What is the reason? Tell me. Why we are celebrating this festival, August 15? Why we are celebrating? Is there any reason? Because yes, we got independence on 15th August 1947. So for this freedom, many people sacrificed their lives. Many people were arrested by the British people and they were thrown into jail because we suffered a lot, we struggled a lot. At last, many leaders fought for our country. They sacrificed their lives. Finally, they were shot dead, just like Bhagat Singh, he was hanged. He was hanged by British people. Allur Sitaram Raj was shot dead. He was shot dead by the British people. So many people, we can't count one or two people. Many people sacrificed for this Indian country. That's why, that is the reason we are proud to celebrate this day. It's the Independence Day means we have to celebrate proudly.